What's in the box? Come and see. Come, look, look. Come and see. Come and see. Look, wow. Wow, Jack. What's in the box? What's in the box? Wow, say all the best. Oh, that's nice. Dear valued customer, good day. Thank you for choosing our product. And this is all Jack's sensory toys. Look, Jack. Thank you. Thank you, Amazon. This is lovely. Wow. Jack absolutely love it. Right? So this is all sensory. Wow. Look at this. Thanks, Amazon. So what's in the box? And we've got this. What's this, Jack? What's this? Hey, what's this? What's this? What's this? Woo! What's this? Woo! What's that? Jack, what is this? Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Good boy.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. And this one? Wow, this is such a good choice, isn't it, Jack? It's all sensory. Boo! Boo! Say thank you, Amazon. La 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 la. My voice is so happy. Boo! Boo! Wow. Wow, look at this. Jack? Oh, amazing. We've got yellow, green, orange, pink, and blue. Look at that. And look. I don't know what's this. Oh my. Look at this. Boop, boop. I love it. You do? Jack? Boo. 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 And more dinosaurs. Look. Dinosaur, Mama. Dinosaur. So yeah. We're so happy. Thanks, Lucy. This is actually from Saxidil. It's a company that's they sell good sensory toys for kids. And yeah, I love you. So yeah, we're so happy with all the toys that we got from Amazon. Wow, it's 5-star. Really highly recommended. It's all fidgets toy sets actually, and it calms him down, stimulates, and he doesn't want me to touch it. Yeah, I'm happy and Jack's happy. That's all that matters, and I'm really pleased that we got this for him. Amazon just delivered it last night actually. So yeah, look at that. I'm amazed. Like, it makes me calm as well. I'm so pleased that I got this for him. Thank you, Amazon. And thank you, Lucy, for sending this stuff for us. It's so nice. Wow, look at that. A lovely little thank you note. Thank you. And they have these cards as well. Like a note card that you can just use this if you want to send some notes for your friends, for your family. It's a birthday. Whose birthday? You know, Jack likes to say happy birthday with anything. If he has new toys, he thinks that someone sent it to him or someone just gave it to him. It's just so cute. Isn't it, Jack? Say happy birthday. Wow, look at that. So cool. Look at so many dinosaurs. How many dinosaurs? One.
Wow.
2. You love dinosaurs? Who's your favorite dinosaurs?
It's a lion.
Is it lion?
Wow.
Where's the lion? Oh, lovely. Look at his hair. It's so cute. It's so long. We can't wait to go to hairdresser, don't we, Jack? Hmm? Love you. Kiss mommy now. Kiss mommy. Kiss. Hi guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So we just bought this. It's the Play-Doh kitchen creation.
I see.
Oh yeah, I can see an ice cream. Well done. So Jack loves playing. He loves Play-Doh, absolutely love it, and he's obsessed with it. Like I think it's a sensory thing, you know. It's calmed him down. It's just really perfect for kids that got, you know, sensory problems. So I think this really helps him. Usually he's really grumpy in the morning, so what I do, I just give him Play-Dohs or just take him outside. But I want something different because he was so bored with this just basic, you know. I mean, I just bought him just Play-Doh and one of this, you know. But this one is really nice. It's got there's like different ones that you can make. They can make ice cream on it, and Job absolutely love ice cream as well. So. What's this? What's this?
I see.
Well done. So yeah, guys, I'll let you know how it goes. We're back, guys. So you know, sensory play is so important for kids who's got autism, because it relieves their anxiety and just really good for social interaction as well, language development, and memory functioning, social interaction, stimulate senses. You know, it's so good. Like it makes them they become creative. They become really good at it as well. So I can recommend it to everyone. So what color do you want? Green? Okay, should I put green? Yeah, it can be hard sometimes because with Jack, he wants me to do everything, but I have a trick at the moment where I'll do the half of it and then he'll do the end, like this one. Okay, mommy do it and then you do the rest. Okay, good boy. Okay, you do it. One, ready? Okay, you do it now. So he gets really frustrated if, okay then, okay, say push. Well done! You made it! Well done! That's it, darling. Wow! Amazing! Wow! What's that? Don't mix the color. Don't mix the Play-Doh, okay? Oh, wow, Mommy's so proud of you. You made it. So yeah, that's the trick, guys, and hopefully your kids would love this. Absolutely. Like, look how cute is that? It's just so simple, and it's actually not expensive. It was like 2 for 15 pounds. So yeah, and Chuck loves it. That's the most important thing. Then I can do my housework, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this channel. And Chuck, say thank you everyone for watching. Okay, see ya. Say bye, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Mwah. Say I love you. Say I.
See.
Say I.
Yeah.
Good boy.